Hi, Savannah and Oliver. Aunt Gigi here again to read you another Christmas story. Today I'm in my guest room and look at all my friends who came to join us. Isn't this fun? All right, so today's story is called Christmastime at Santa's Workshop, and it is a pop-up book. I'll show you why it's a pop-up book in just a minute. This is by Peggy Kahn and illustrated by Pat Paris. And a pop-up book, boing, is when the pages pop up. You see that? That's pretty fun. So, Christmastime at Santa's Workshop. Kids' letters to Santa arrive day and night. His elves help him get all the orders just right. I don't know if you can hear my doggy barking out there. The elves get to work making toys of all sizes, and sometimes they make amazing surprises. Mrs. Claus is in charge of the kitchen brigade, where crisp Christmas cookies and candies are made. Oh, they're turning all the taffy there. Here's a little oven. What's inside? Oh, I bet it's not an oven. I bet it's a refrigerator because it's got eggs and cream. What's in the oven now? Open. It looks like lollipops are in the oven. And what is in this oven? Ooh, it looks like some sugar cookies are in that oven. Pop up. Now Santa begins to get dressed for his trip. The elves brush his boots. His wife stitches a rip. See how it just pops right up off the page? Finishing touches are put on the toys. Soon they'll belong to girls or to boys. Peekaboo. There's the kitty. And who's over here? Watch this. Yay! He's riding the horsey. The rocking horse. Pop up. Hook up the reindeer. Load up the sleigh. Merry Christmas! Shouts Santa. Up, up, and away. Can you find Santa? The end. Thanks for coming along and listening to the story today. I love you.